Monkeys are running amok in the park. A mother monkey is watching over her kids. Mom, Kor Kor is going out to play again, Mei Mei yelled. Boys are more playful, Mom thought for a moment and said. You stay here. I'm going to get him back. I'm bored. Let's play piggyback. Wait, you're too heavy, Toot Toot exclaimed. The two monkeys tumble around in laughter. I'm bored. Let's play something else. Let's ride a bicycle, Kor Kor suggests enthusiastically. Mei Mei, you take the seat. Toot Toot, you take the wheel. I want the handle, Toot Toot insisted. I'm bored. Let's play something else. Finally, the three little monkeys are having a break. Mei Mei, share your food with us. No! Mei Mei runs up a tree. Just two of us now. Let's play catching. Kor Kor, stop! Yeah, this is tasteless. Return me my leaf. Both kids are so playful. Wait till I get my hands on them. Who do you think is the most playful little monkey?